Hey, what's up guys, this is a continuing of our freelance video editor starter pack. In this video I'm gonna show you 15 must subscribe YouTube channels for a video editor. And here is the 15 channels. We will go through each of these and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about them. Yeah, as you can see, I made a note, a single word about how would I describe each of these channels. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first one is Jack Cole. The single word how would I describe this channel is money, because this guy is gonna teach you how to make money making videos, not just you know, tutorials about editing. It's also tutorials about freelancing, about Upwork. Yeah, so he's gonna teach you how to use the skill to make money. Yeah. This guy was a game changer for me. Once I found this channel, I learned pretty much all my skills from this guy. So yeah, definitely watch this channel. This guy also gives you full tutorial on Premiere Pro, After Effects and Photoshop. There is tutorials, couple hours. Free tutorial, learn everything about these three. Right here you can see learn everything about Premiere Pro tutorial, 4 hours 53 minutes. You're gonna learn everything about Premiere Pro, yeah, for free. Yeah, so here is everything. If there was no other channels on the entire YouTube channel, this is the one you need to subscribe. This is the only from this single YouTube channel you can learn all the freelancing and freelance video editing stuff. All you need is here. So this is the #1 channel to go for. This guy also does some videography, like shooting nightclubs, some cool stuff. Yep. So yeah, definitely subscribe to this guy. Yeah, I got subscription to all these channels, but I switched to different accounts so that there is not this watched overlay at each video. So let's go to the next one. This one, learn how to edit stuff. The single word how would I describe this channel is fun. Yeah, this guy makes some fun videos, I would say. It's fun to watch his tutorials, right? It's not boring. It's also good, has some good knowledge. Yeah, also some Premiere Pro and After Effects tutorials, so it's not just Premiere Pro, also After Effects is involved. Yeah, so mainly Premiere Pro and After Effects. So subscribe to this one. Next one we got VideoRevealed. This is probably the oldest person in my list. And the single word I would describe this channel is like technical. Yeah, I think his tutorials are a little bit more technical than compared to others. Yeah, also it's mainly focused on Premiere Pro. Most of these tutorials is about Premiere Pro. Yeah, he also has some good knowledge. So definitely subscribe to this one as well. Next one is Justin Odisho. Yeah, the single word how would I describe this channel is calm. Every time I think about this guy, I think about his voice. In his tutorials, he speaks very calm voice. So that's what how would I describe this channel? Yeah, lots of tutorials about Premiere Pro. Yeah, I think this guy made videos about every single effect from Premiere Pro. So there is definitely something to watch. Yeah, also has some good knowledge about the topic, right? So subscribe to this guy. Another one, so Storysium. This channel used to be called Orange83. So every time I think about this guy, I think about the Orange83, but then he had to change the name to Storysium because of some copyright issues. So, and he had to also delete most of his tutorials, so he's recreating them, as you can see. Yeah, there is a couple older ones, several years, but yeah, I think he had to delete most of them. And changed them to, yeah, he had to change the branding and everything. As you can see, there's green color now. Before it used to be this orange color. Yeah, and another thing, this guy gives you some nice presets, these animation presets. Also there are some transitions. So yeah, really some really good stuff going on here, so definitely subscribe to this one as well. Next one, Premiere Gal. Okay, this is the only woman in my list. All of the other channels are men. Yeah, so that's how I remember this channel. Yeah, lots of useful tutorials, not only for Premiere Pro. There is also some videography and other stuff, not just Premiere Pro. Yeah. Yeah, so definitely subscribe to this channel as well. Okay, next one, Cinecom.net. The single board for this channel would be like a pro. Like these guys do some pro work, I think, very professional, like very high skill. Yeah, so this is some advanced stuff. This is most of these tutorials are not for beginners, and also it's involves sometimes like a special effects which you will not even ever use in your videos. This is something more like special. Yeah, most of these tutorials are like not for everyday use or something like that. I would describe lots of like special effects and this kind of stuff, but yeah, some of these tutorials are useful. Depends. It's like a little bit of everything, little bit of beginner, little bit of advanced, but yeah, very high skill and also team of people. Yeah, the next one is Olufemii. The thing I remember, this guy is like, in my opinion, this guy is surrounded by some really professional people, like experts. Yeah, he knows his stuff, good knowledge about the topic, collaborates with some other people, yeah. So he has a good knowledge. Tutorials about Premiere Pro, sometimes After Effects, yeah, mostly these. Yeah, sometimes you will see him just introducing the video and then it's completely different person in a video. He's just like the moderator of the show. The next one is the Premiere Pro. I think I would remember this channel single board would be advanced. Yeah, once I found this channel, like I learned something new from every single video. This is not a big channel. Compared, for example, to Cinecom, right? This is a huge channel, or the other ones. Yeah, this is a really small channel, couple videos, but once I found this channel, I learned something new from every single video. Like, I've been watching the videos on YouTube, the tutorials, for several years, and once I found this channel, I learned something new from every single video. That's so yeah, if you feel stuck, you've been watching tutorials 24/7 on YouTube and you feel like you're not learning anything new, try this channel. I also read a book from this guy, the advanced stuff in Premiere Pro, but it wasn't that good as his channel. But yeah, check this channel, some advanced stuff here. And yeah, the next one is Adobe in a minute. The single board for this channel would be short. Yeah, as the name says of the channel, right? It's in a minute, so these tutorials are really short. Yeah, I think this guy is not like a super professional or something, but yeah, his tutorials are short. Also, it's usually just a screen record, he doesn't show his face. Yeah, but it's nice and short. Yeah, if you're looking for something specific, different from the other channels. Yeah, I try to pick up I think each of these channels offers something unique. It's a little bit of everything, which is good. This is unique, different from others. Okay, the next one is Tutvid. The thing I remember, this guy is like a Photoshop, because his channel involves lots of tutorials also from Photoshop. I remember I was watching some of his Photoshop tutorials as well. So this guy doesn't do only video, he does also the other Adobe software like Illustrator. Yeah, what's the next one? Yeah, After Effects, Photoshop, Premiere Pro. So there is more than just the video, right? The Premiere Pro and After Effects, there are some other tutorials. So that's also different from the others a little bit. So let's see the next one. Ignace Aleya. Yeah, the thing I remember, this guy is After Effects. This guy does mostly After Effects tutorials. Also very knowledgeable about this topic. I think he works for Hollywood or something. Yeah, so this guy knows his stuff. Also has some courses. Yeah, maybe he does some videography tutorials as well, as we can see. Maybe some, I don't know. Yeah, but mostly it's just After Effects. Yeah, this guy is just After Effects, so something different again. And next one is Javier Mercedes. This guy, yes, I remember him as like a videographer. Yeah, I remember in one video he was holding like a big camera or something. It just stayed in my mind. Yeah, and also these earphones and everything. I remember him as a videographer more than a video editor. Yeah, but mostly this channel offers like a Premiere Pro tutorials. Yeah, some interesting stuff here as well. Okay, the next one is Film Editing Pro. The single word for this channel would be like a Hollywood, or I don't know. This is like a channel focusing on general video editing rather than like a specific software like After Effects or Premiere Pro. This is focused generally on video editing, and I think, yeah, these guys, yeah, they are different. I think they got some course as well, in which they offer like teachers who work in Hollywood, or the course was maybe people who work for Hollywood. So this is again some advanced stuff. The tutorials, it's usually just the screen record, right? Again, no face. Yeah, but very advanced stuff sometime. Yeah, so this is again something completely different from the others. But yeah, some of these tutorials are interesting, so check this one. Yeah, but I think this channel is not really suitable for like a YouTuber. This is maybe more for somebody who wants to work, yeah, I don't know, if some kind of film production. I wouldn't 100% recommend this to a YouTuber. I think this is yeah, more like a film channel, not a YouTube, or like a, how to say, movie, something like that. Yeah. Okay, the next one is Max Novak. The single word for this channel would be music. This guy does lots of music videos. Yeah, as you can see, he has a specific style. It's a little bit crazy, or how to say, what is the word for this? It's different. Lots of these colors going on, glitches. Yeah, it's music videos, so it's different from the others. Yeah, some interesting tutorials on this one as well, but again, this is for somebody maybe who is more interested in like a special effects. Yeah, or music video production, right? Okay. Yep, and the last channel, like a bonus, is of course me. Here is my channel. I'm gonna teach you how to make money editing videos. Yeah, I make tutorials how to make money editing videos. So I'm gonna teach you about Upwork. I'm gonna teach you what gear to choose as a beginner and advanced freelance video editor. I'm gonna show you how to learn English because I'm not a native English speaker. I'm gonna show you how to get free ebooks. Yeah, so the stuff you can learn from, right? This is gonna be a tutorial for a free education. So yeah, definitely subscribe to my channel as well. And yeah, this was the video. This is the 15 must subscribe YouTube channels for a video editor. I also sorted this channel by its importance. What I think is like the most important are first, the least important are last, right? So let's go again. The first one, and if there was no other YouTube channel on the entire internet, this is the only one you need to subscribe, Jack Cole. The next one, learn how to edit stuff, VideoRevealed, Justin Odisho, Storysium, Premiere Gal, Cinecom.net, Olufemii, the Premiere Pro, Adobe in a minute, Tutvid, Ignace Aleya, Javier Mercedes, Film Editing Pro, and Max Novak, right? And the last one is me. So yeah, subscribe to these channels and you will learn lots of stuff. So let me know down in the comments what's like your favorite channel, if I forgot any. Yeah, let me know down in the comments which channel do you like for video editing tutorials. Yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.